In this video, I'm going to show you guys step by step how to schedule a YouTube video to be posted at a later time and date. So stick around. Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'd like to welcome you here for the first time. My name is John Mitchum and I make YouTube videos to help internet entrepreneurs grow their online presence. I make easy to follow tutorials to help answer those questions of how do I do this to keep you moving along. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and check the links down in the description below as I leave helpful links for you. So now, let's get into the video. Scheduling YouTube videos are a great way to keep a constant upload schedule and making sure your content reaches your viewers at the right time, helping grow your views and ultimately growing your channel. So without waiting any longer, let's jump into my computer and I'll show you guys how to schedule YouTube videos for a later date and time. All right guys, now that we're on my computer, what you're gonna wanna do is go over to youtube.com. And then up here in the top right corner, you're going to click on the little plus and then go to upload video. So from here, you're going to upload your video. Now that we got our video up on here, we got our title, description, uploading a thumbnail. You're going to go through, fill these out. Doesn't have any paid promotions or anything. Automatic chapters. Make sure you guys add in your tags here. And then once everything in the details is complete, go over to video elements. Make sure you guys fill all that out, adding your end screens. So checks good. And then, so here, if you scroll down in visibility, under, save and publish, private, all that, you're going to go down to schedule. And this is right here where you're going to be able to set your time and date. That after doing your research, you find you understand more of the best times that your audience is watching your videos. So say mine's on Mondays. So we'll say it's on Mondays around 11 o'clock, which I'm kind of just spitballing this right here. But what you would do is, okay, so here's a trick to find the best times to upload is if you go on youtube.com again and then go to YouTube Studio. If you go down to analytics, so you click on audience, and this right here shows when your viewers are on YouTube. So it shows when your videos are being watched the most. So I'm actually running a TubeBuddy extension and a vidIQ extension, which these are both great extensions, providing you more information, helping you grow your channel. So I want to upload it today, Thursday. Well, majority of my viewers are in the morning, which you can see down here, 6 a.m. 6 a.m. You see how these are all darker. So tomorrow would be my next best bet. So we'll say, so Friday, it's saying 7 a.m. So what I would do is go back over here. So we'll say we'll schedule it on a Friday at, instead of 7 a.m., we'll do like, watch this, 6:45, right before they get on. Could even do maybe like 6:50. And that would be it. So all you would do is click down to schedule here. And from there, my video would be uploaded at this time and date. And that's it, guys. Scheduling your YouTube videos is that easy. And it's a great way to get your videos out to your audience at the right time. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.